Good morning, everybody. It's Jan from Jandle in the City, where I unbox luxury goods, pre-loved items, and on occasion, some beauty products. If you're new to my channel or if you're returning, welcome. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button below. I'd love to have you join my YouTube family. Today's video is going to be something that I picked up from Coach, and it came in this very large box, and you can see in the inside it says Coach. It's quite heavy, so wrapped up in paper, and it comes in this pretty packaging. I love the packaging on that with the black and the dark rust color. It's quite pretty, so let's unbox it. I haven't seen this one. I chose it on the site when they were having a sale, so not quite sure what it's going to look like. Let me set it down a second. And it's like this, with the Coach seal on it, and the paper. So you guys ready? Any guesses? Go ahead. Let's push you off here. And this is what I had purchased. It's called the Trail bag. Apparently there was another one called the, I believe, the Katie bag. And this one comes in quite a few different colors. Yellow, this forest green, like a reddy brown color. I think there's 5 colors in total on this little bag. This one, I think I paid 330 Canadian dollars for it. It was on sale. I really like the shape and the style of this bag. It does come with the gold hardware and also this little Coach tag. I really like that. And it's like an oval shape. It says genuine leather on the bottom. I like the handle on it. This one does come with a strap, so you can wear it crossbody. So let's go ahead and open it up here. So I've gone ahead, guys, and I've removed all of the tissue, all of the plastic, and it does come with this crossbody adjustable strap. And I like the quality of this. It feels nice and thick. It's not too thin like some straps you get, they are. There is the gold hardware there, quite substantial. And on that side there as well. I really like this. I love the color. Let's go ahead and look on the inside. It does have one little pocket there. Let me remove that. Came with the card. And it's got a cloth lining with blue here. I like the hardware, nice and sturdy, extra durability for the handle. So I really like that. On the back does have one small pocket, which is really tight. I don't think you could put your phone, maybe if you stood your phone straight up, you could possibly fit it in there. But it's a nice little bag. I love the shape of this one. I did try to get a Chanel bag like this. I did try to get the Gucci, but unfortunately they were all sold out at the time. So let me put the strap on. Pardon me for bending down. Go ahead and hook that on. Yeah, I really like the strap. It's nice and structured, nice and thick. There it is there. I'm not going to do any mod shots today on it, but there it is. It's called the Trail Bag by Coach in the color, I believe it is green or forest green or something like that. Not quite sure. But I love this little bag. So if you guys are interested, go over. I'm not sure if the sale is still on. And I picked this one up on the outlet, not the regular site. So I put in, I believe it was ca.outlet for Canada. And that is the one little item I wanted to share with you today. Really love it. Love the color. One of my favorite colors is green, and the other color is pink. I went and picked out one of my Coach little twillies. I decided to go with the pink because the green and pink, like I said, is my favorite color. So I just tied that on the handle there. I think it looks really cute. Just in time for summer. What do you think, guys? Is that not a gorgeous little bag? And I'll leave the dimensions in the description box below. But I'm so glad I picked this one up on sale. Like I said, go over, guys, and see if it's still on sale if you're interested. It comes in multiple colors, like I had said. The other one, I tried to get the K bag, I believe. I think it's a little smaller than this one. The leather is so nice on this. Nice and soft. The stitching is amazing. Coach sure has come a long way, I would say, you know, and upping their quality in their products. Can't go wrong with Coach, and the prices are unbelievable. So there it is, guys. I wanted to show that little beauty with you. My new purchase from Coach, the trail bag. So stay safe, guys. Till next time, define your style, because that's who you are. Take care. Bye-bye.